is Coach Monica live from the Banya for our demolition day. So to start it off, we are going to go with the long split for our first exercise today. So you want to start out with your hand over here, and as you bring it up, you're going to go like this, bringing the hands together, and then come down. So before you do that, you want to check to see if you're at a good distance, and then go ahead and go like this, and split the log. So let's give that one more try. Give that. We're going to go start here. Check to see our distance. Boom. And there you go, folks. Log split. Exercise number 1. All right. Come on into Banya for number 2. So we're going to do a little demo here in the Banya. So we're going to come right in here. The Banya is like an Alaskan sauna, if you're not sure what it is. So we'll go, whoa, oh, geez. Well, you can tell these workouts have been paying off. I just broke a door because I'm so strong now. That can happen to you too, so be careful. All right, come on in. We are going to do the hot rock juggle today. So in the Banya here, you got some rocks on here that kind of heat up everything. So we got our hot rock juggle. So I'm not really very good at this, so this could get crazy. I should probably move away from where the lantern is. All right. And yeah, I think we're just going to do one demo of that. So maybe I need to practice my juggling skills, I think. So the last thing we're going to do here for this is, I'm going to get my headlamp here so we can see as best as possible. We're going to do a little demo of the rail here. So this is the rail that goes around the Banya, and this is the rail so that you make sure that you don't get burnt, because if you go past this, it won't be pretty. So we're just going to go ahead and get rid of some of these here. It's about time for that, and then we'll get over here. So this is kind of like a baseball swing, actually. So, yeah, that is our demo. Oh, the top? Can we do the top, you think? All right, well, this is our demolition derby Banya style. Oh, I don't know about that. Oh, there we go. Take it down. Oh, and I think that's all, folks. All right, that's Demolition Derby live from the Banya here in Kodiak. We'll see you for our next workout, folks. Don't do this at home, by the way. Please, please. I do not want to be responsible for that. Yeah, okay.